This is my first time at this particular comedy club. Just trying to figure out the theme to it. We got the Game of Thrones lights. And just one wall's brick and everything else is drywall. So trying to figure out what kind of stupid ass construction worker ran out of bricks. I think about 725 bricks covered this whole fucking club, Terry. Hey man, we ran out. Fucking drywall to rest. They got pictures of all these comedians and they're all dead. I never want to be on this wall. You can have the wall of fame. I want to live. I think the theme is fuck it. Hey, Louisville, come on down to the fucking comedy club. Bringing you the top comics from all across the country. Who's out this weekend? Fuck it don't matter. Appreciate you flying me into your international airport, using that word loosely. You flying to Paris, it ain't France, that's Kentucky. We got direct flights to Paris. Because if you fly, it's funny. Honestly, I'd never flown into this airport before. And then, so I land, and usually when you're at a bigger airport, when you try to get your Uber, it'll ask you what terminal. You terminal 1, terminal 2, what airline. Motherfucker, I put in Uber, I said Louisville Airport, Uber said, got it. What? So that's it? Done deal, baby, if we know where you'll be. I was like, what the fuck? And then your city though it's a tongue twister. You don't know how to pronounce this shit. Cause your S is silent. And then you like to call it Louisville. Where the fuck you guys come up with that? Louisville. Sounds like you're about to nut. Louisville. Just call it DeVille. DeVille. That sounds more gangsta. Just makes you want to say bitch afterwards. Where you from, DeVille, bitch? You know about DeVille, bitch? Punk every other city in Kentucky with that shit. Where you from DeVille, bitch? Where you from? Paducah, relax. Just came in to see the show. Why you so mad? Take your ass back to Paducah, bitch. You give a fuck about Paducah? Paducah.